Now, over here, elves, you'll see down this hallway we have the toy areas, but we're going to go over that in a minute. Would you like to have a seat? Great. Welcome. It's so nice to have you here. My goodness. Welcome to the North Pole. You made it. You've applied. You've had your interviews. We've accepted your resumes. We loved all your baked goods. The cookies were divine. It was wonderful. And you've made it to the big time. Santa's workshop, the North Pole. You did it. Yeah, it's very exciting. Okay, so need to remind you that whenever you see Santa, that jolly man, we need to be busy, and smiling, and he loves cookies. So if you have any spare cookies, make sure that keeps him jolly and his bowl full of cookies, right? So, also, I want to tell you, the Christmas is just around the corner, and you've gotten here just in the Saint Nick of time, so we can't wait for your fingers to get busy making things. Now, my name is Inspector Brummy. I'll be your guide through orientation this next few minutes. I am elf number 0316, and I have been giving this orientation for thousands of years. And it is my favorite to see your brand new faces and some familiar faces. It's nice to have you. All right, let me see if I can remember who we are. Jingles, welcome. It's so nice to have you. You know, you have applied a number of times, and we finally moved you from the cookie-making tree with those other elves. It's nice to have you come from there up here to the North Pole. Jingles. Sprinkles, hi, hello, nice to see you, Sprinkles. Your enthusiasm was what got you hired, so welcome. It's so nice to have you. Twinkles, we have Twinkles back here. Twinkles, you've been applying for so long, but it's okay. You finally made it from the mall, and you made it up here, and that's great. We're so pleased to have you in Santa's workshop. And Bob! Hi! Welcome, first-time applicant. That is very rare. So, down the hallway, you're going to find, we're going to go on a tour in a few minutes, and we're going to see all the toy designs, right? And we have design and manufacturing, and where you'll be busy working on things. Maybe you'll even get to go into the toy testing department. That was really fun, I know. It's so exciting. Well, you're doing a good job at being jolly. Okay, over here we have the reindeer arena. Question?
Next one. Are the meals covered and based off of the four main elf food groups: candy, candy canes, candy corns, and syrup?
Are meals covered, and are they based on the four food groups? What are they again?
Candy, candy canes, candy corns, and syrup.
Yes, of course, those are the food groups. Now, food during shift is covered, but on your own time, not covered. You're on your own. Okay,
that makes sense.
Great. So as I was saying, the ring. Yes, Jiggles.
What is the hourly pay, and is there a union?
Hourly pay is all you can eat candy canes. Yes, I know, it's wonderful. And is there a union? Yes. Oh, another, well, poor Sprinkles here. Yes, Sprinkles, what's your question?
How long until we get a raise?
How long do you get until you get a raise? Well, I mean, there's a lot of factors in this. So some of this is covered in the 600-page welcoming packet that you should have received, and it goes into a lot of the details about this. And it looks smaller, but it's very, very fine print. You should see that on page, I don't remember, 600. I think it's on the last page. But 200 to 300 years is average to go to get a student.
That's pretty short. Yeah,
Pretty short. Yeah, it's very. It goes like that. Exactly. So the reindeer. Oh, yeah, another one. Yes, sir.
Are the shelves so comfy, are they? And how long do we have to sit on them?
Shelves?
You know, well, the elf ones.
Oh, yes, the shelves, the elf shelves, the shelf of elves. Well, on our tour, if we get to it, you'll notice that we're going to pass the shelf on the elf area. That's what I said. Those are highly elite and very specialized trained elves. They have to be quite nimble, and it takes a lot of training, but you will see them. I'll point that out on our way. Okay, so the reindeer, yes?
How old do you have to be to work the factory machinery?
How old do you have to be? It depends on the machinery, but of course you do have to have a be certain. You have to be a certain age to drive to do the machinery. But I think some training comes involved, but it's all again based on your abilities. Yeah. And another question. I really need to talk about the reindeer. Okay.
How long do we get vacation, and is it paid for?
Vacation?
Yeah.
You know where you are, right?
But what if we want to go to like Hawaii?
Well, there is a very brief moment after Christmas for a few days where people and elves can go elsewhere, but we got to get right back into it because right away we start again because again Christmas comes like that. But you have to work that out with your immediate supervisor. I'm just your orientation guide and I'll introduce you later. All right. So good question. Yes.
What about candy cane breaks? If your candy cane breaks, put it in your hot chocolate, obviously.
That's definitely a rule. You're absolutely right. If your candy cane breaks, put it in your hot chocolate. Now, the reindeer arena is down here, and we're going to go over there and see that on our tour. Now, as the newbies here, just in the nick of time, you are in charge of helping with the reindeer. Not the training. We have specialists for that. But reindeer fly, but guess what doesn't fly? Their poop. So, I know, so that is on the ground, and you will find on our tour, you'll see the buckets and the shovels, and that is part of your job. Before you get to the workshop, you have to wash your hands really well. Oh, one thing you need to look out for is Sneaky Elf. Sneaky Elf is a great reindeer trainer. He's one of our top trainers. However, if he offers you chocolate, say no. It's not chocolate. What is it? Yes, that's what it is. That's right. So we got to be real careful. His name is Sneaky Elf. Okay, so Jingles, Sprinkles, Twinkles, Bob. Look busy. Be jolly. Be happy. Okay. And elves love to sing, so let's join in a song next, shall we? Stand up.
In the song, we would like you to join us. We'll sing the first line and then you can join us and just repeat after us. I'll ask a question. You can answer. Got a beard that's long and white.
Santa's got a beard that's long and white.
Who comes around on a special night.
Santa comes around on a special night. Special night. Beard that's white. Must be Santa. Must be Santa. Must be Santa. Santa Claus.
Wears boots and a suit Claus in Hawaii doesn't come dressed like our Santa here, because if he did, he would surely be too hot. So the Santa Claus in Hawaii wears a loincloth. He wears a shirt that comes up to just covers his chest, and his belly button shows, and he rides on a surfboard with 8 dolphins rather than 1. Okay.
Hawaiian Santa is a sight to see when he comes surfing into Waikiki. He wears a mallow on his big bamboo, singing a Merry